Okay, so I wanted to show you, this is NBT entry unit. I found it 2012, 2015, 16, something like that. It's a basic unit. So usually they come with the combox and the Bluetooth stream is not activated. For example, right now the head unit is coded, but combox is not. See what happens. I cannot press it. Okay, just a second. So we code it, and I'll show you what's going to happen. Okay, and reboot it. So I'm just saying, coding the head unit is not enough for the MP3 Bluetooth streaming. I don't know why they did it like this, but they did. So the Bluetooth still rebooting. Okay, now see this? Now I can connect. That's what you need to do. You need to program both units. So we just repaired the unit and programmed that nice feature. Now you can stream the music wirelessly. You can see that music sung. That's it.